I'm flying high like a bird, but my fluttering wings can keep you from pulling me down. Your mama says I'm a fool, and yeah, maybe that's true.
Okay, welcome to the new series. After the amazing success of the Africa Twin Series, and I've had a few people asking me about the KTM. I've decided to do a short series on the KTM. I bought this KTM in the spring. It's a one owner, 55,000 miles, full service history, 990 Adventure. Very clean condition. Needs a few bits doing to it, as does any second-hand bike, but I think definitely worth doing and keeping in the great condition that it's in. So the idea is to do service, do crash bars, put panniers on, do the clutch, because it's got the normal KTM clutch rattle, so I will do a new clutch. Valve adjustment sounds okay, and then yeah, kind of sort of get it looking top dollar, because I think in the future this is a potential collectible. I mean, these 990s are pretty iconic, along with the 950. Kind of can't decide between the 950 and the 990 as to which is the more collectible of the two, but I'm sure there's arguments for both. So having had the 950 in the past, it definitely seemed to have a lot more grunt than the 990, but the power delivery of the 990 is like really smooth and clean. So yeah, come along for the ride. I will start this series next week, and starting probably with the clutch, and then from the clutch I will do service, get the crash bars on, get some panniers for it, get those on. Yeah, and then I think it should be pretty much good to go. Chain looks alright. Once I've got the tanks off and everything, I will double check all of the connectors and all those sort of things. So yeah, if you enjoyed the Africa Twin Series, come along for the ride, and hopefully it'll be as enjoyable as the last one. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you all next week.